How to upload YouTube Shorts in best quality. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your YouTube Shorts look blurry or lose quality after upload, here's how to make sure they stay sharp and clean every time. So here are some of the best settings and tips for high quality YouTube Shorts. First off, you need to go ahead and open up YouTube. To upload a short, you can tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Select any short you want. I'll just select a random video from here. Then you can just go ahead and tap on next. First command is to use the correct resolution. Always upload in 9:16 ratio with 1080 by 1920, that is full HD or even higher, to avoid square or landscape videos. Then you also need to export using proper frame rate. So if once you've selected your video, tap on done. You want to stick with 30 or 60 FPS consistently. Mixed or variable frame rates can reduce your quality. You can also choose high bitrate while exporting your video from your editor, and you can upload using stable internet. You need to wait for HD processing as well. Shorts may look blurry at first. You need to give YouTube some time to finish HD processing. And that's it. Follow these steps and your short will look crisp and professional. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.